Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the property of haloalkane, that is the third property. Haloalkane will react with metal. That means our third property of haloalkane is reaction with metals. It is our third property of haloalkane. Beta, haloalkane have tendency to react with active metal to give some compounds. First of all, you will see Wood's reaction. Beta, this reaction is used to form symmetrical alkane or double the number of hydrocarbon in alkane. This reaction is used to make alkanes with double the number of carbon atoms. Need not to be right in final exam. If question give Wood's reaction, you will directly write the reaction, not need to write this line. You will learn this line only for you, because this line you must be used in number of conversions. Beta, Wood's reaction when haloalkane treated with sodium. Haloalkane treated with sodium in presence of dry ether. Because if there is moisture or water, sodium react with moisture to catch fire and our reaction will be wasted. So dry ether must be necessary condition, because in presence of dry ether moisture is removed, oxygen is removed. So sodium is only and only for the reaction with haloalkane. Beta, 2 moles of haloalkane will be consumed with 2 moles of sodium to give higher alkane. To give higher alkane with double the number of carbon atoms. Clear? With double the number of carbon atoms and 2 moles of sodium halide will be removed. For example, we have chloroethane. It will react with sodium in presence of dry ether. What will happen? In your exam question, what will happen? When you see haloalkane and sodium, directly you will write Wood's reaction. 2 moles of haloalkane react with 2 moles of sodium to leave 2 moles of sodium chloride, and both the alkyl group will combine with each other and we get ethane from chloromethane. Methane means 1 carbon. We get ethane, alkane with double the number of carbon atom. Beta, maybe in your mind question is that what will happen when we use both the different alkane? Suppose in case of Wood's reaction, one of your friend do the reaction and use this reaction. Both alkane will be different. It is chloromethane. It is chloroethane. What will happen? It is not there, no reaction. Reaction is there, but we get mixture of 3 alkanes. We get mixture of 3 alkanes. First, some of the chloroethane react with sodium itself to give ethane. Clear? Some of the chloroethane react with sodium to give butane. This will be removed out. Some of these different alkane combine with each other. Some of these will combine with each other. In each case, beta, we will use dry ether. In each case, we will use dry ether. Then reaction will take place. We get propane. When we perform this reaction, these three reactions will be take place inside the reaction, and we get mixture of three alkane: ethane, propane, and butane, with removal of NaCl. Beta, all these alkanes have slight difference in their molecular mass, so slight difference in their boiling and melting point, and difficult to be separate out. So when we use Wood's reaction, we generally use Wood's reaction only and only for the symmetrical haloalkane or similar haloalkane. So we get obtained higher alkane with double the number of carbon atom. Clear? Now another reaction. What will happen when haloalkane react with? What will happen when haloalkane react with magnesium? Magnesium is another active metal. Magnesium is another active metal. Beta, when alkyl halide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether, it will form adduct. Adduct means all the reactant will combine together to give ionic compound. Ionic compound. It is only the reagent in which carboanion is formed very readily and more be stable. Clear? It is known as Grignard's reagent. From this Grignard reagent, as we want to prepare, that can be prepared very easily. That can be prepared very easily. Grignard reagent is performed. Better when this Grignard reagent react with water, what happen? Water consists of H positive, OH negative. H positive combined with carbon anion to give alkane plus magnesium, leave this Grignard reagent, and we get alkane with same number of carbon atom. With same number of carbon atoms. In case of Wood's reaction, double the number of carbon atom. But with Grignard reagent, same number of carbon atom. Some more metals that can react with haloalkane to give the compound. One of the reaction you learn in your lower class, that is 11th. That reaction is known as Corehouse synthesis reaction. In case of Corehouse synthesis reaction, first of all, you will react the haloalkane with active metal lithium and you get alkyl lithium. Better, you will get alkyl lithium. Lithium is another active metal and haloalkane react with lithium to give alkyl lithium. Clear? Better, this alkyl lithium further react with another metal, that is the copper, in the form of halide copper iodide. Only one copper halide, that is copper iodide, react with alkyl lithium. This is alkyl lithium react with copper iodide to give dialkyl copper lithium. And one, we have two lithium beta. One of the lithium removed with iodine. Dialkyl copper lithium. This dialkyl copper lithium again react with haloalkane, either the same or different. This dialkyl copper lithium again react with haloalkane. This R and R dash may be similar, may not be similar. Clear? Then you will get one of the R from two R's. One of the R react with R dash, another haloalkane or another hydrocarbon, lithium removed with halogen, and remaining is alkyl lithium. Then in this reaction you will see haloalkane react with lithium, alkyl lithium formed. Haloalkane react with copper lithium compound, alkyl copper is formed. Clear? And this is hieralkane. This is hieralkane. Either the double the number of, if both are same, double the number of carbon atom. Both are not same, increase the number of carbon atom. If number of carbon atom increase, alkane formed is known as hieralkane. It is Coriolis reaction that you will be studying in your 11th class with Wood's reaction, preparation of alkane. Now one more reactant, one more metal also react with haloalkane, that is lead. Haloalkane also react with lead, but it react with lead only in the presence of sodium, because lead is less reactive as compared to another elements. And we will say reaction with active metals. Active metal is sodium. Sodium initiate the reaction, act as catalyst. Clear? And we will get dialkyl lead. We will get dialkyl lead plus sodium halide plus sodium halide. In this case, beta, you need or not to be needed, tetraalkyl, beta, 4 moles of lead will be used. 3 moles of lead we will get as it is. So you may write, may not be right. You may write this reaction like this: haloalkane react with lead to give tetraalkyl lead plus sodium halide. It is also okay. If you write like this, this is okay. Clear? These are the metals which react with haloalkane to give some organometallic compound. Organometallic compound, for that beta hydrocarbon is the organic compound. Combined with metal, these compounds are known as organometallic compounds. Thank you.